Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video, we are going to see TCS appraisal comments that we have to add on goals and attributes. So basically, appraisal process is going to come in March, but now, as you might be aware, that TCS wants that this should be a continuous process. So that is, we want to add goals and attributes throughout the year. Okay, so that is why we are going to see some of goals and attributes in this video. How can you comment on that? Also, in this video, I have taken like a few and new ones, but I already have a video on my channel for which I will provide the link in the description. In that also I have covered few more goals and attributes, and just in case if you have some other goals and attributes and you want to write the comment on, and that goal is not covered in this video, then you can ask me in the comment section and I will provide you the comment that you need to put on. So let's start with the first one, which is related to requirement gathering. And so this is related to requirement gathering, and the goal is effective capture and documentation of customer requirements. So in this one, you can answer in this way: I have made a conscious effort to gather requirements thoroughly by actively engaging with stakeholders and ensuring clear communication throughout the process. By asking detailed questions and confirming understandings, I aim to capture all necessary details without leaving any gaps. I believe this led to a effective documentation that has provided a strong foundation for our project. However, I also recognize that there is always room for improvement in capturing requirements more efficiently, and I will continue refining my approach for future projects. Now, one more important thing over here is that this is a very long comment that I have given, but you have to add it according to your, just in case if your manager don't want a long answer, if you can give one or two liners, if you want to give a long answer, but I have given you sufficient content from which you can pick it up and customize according to your project need. Next is requirement. Next is also again related to requirement gathering, and the goal is percentage accuracy in effort estimation. I have focused on improving my accuracy in effort estimation by leveraging past project data and collaborating with team to understand potential challenges early on. This has helped me provide more realistic estimates, which have generally aligned well with the actual efforts required. While my estimates have been quite accurate, and I acknowledge that unforeseen complexities sometimes arise, and I continue to refine my approach to account for these variations in future estimates. Now, in this one, I have given a very generic answer, but you can also customize this and add your real life, like maybe if you have any data, you can put in this answer so that it will look more natural. Next up, we have again related to requirement gathering, which is percentage adherence to coding standards. Just in case if you are working on a development project as a developer, then you might get this kind of goals also. So you can answer it in this way: I consistently strive to adhere to the coding standards by set them by the team and the project. By following best practices and maintaining clean, efficient code, I ensure that my work is aligned with the project guidelines and contributes to long-term maintainability. While I'm diligent about my coding in line with these standards, I also actively seek feedback during code reviews to further improve and make sure my code remains aligned with the evolving best practices. If you have seen the pattern in which I have answered these questions, is you have to showcase that you are already following these. Also, you have to showcase that if there is any scope for improvement, I am open to it and I am always continually learning. Next up, we have related to personal development, and the goal is number of proof of concept, that is POC, and proof of technology created to solve technical blockers. So the answer for this can be: I have actively contributed to overcoming technological blockers by developing multiple proof of concepts and proof of technology. These initiatives have not only helped me in identifying viable solution, but also enhanced my problem solving skills and deepened my understanding of emerging technology. I see these efforts as valuable learning experiences that have strengthened both my technical and my ability to handle complex challenges. Moving forward, I plan to continue exploring initiative approaches to tackle potential blockers more efficiently. Let's move on to the next one now. This is again related to personal development, and this is like the most common one that you might also, there are very high chances that you will also get this goal in your appraisal process, that is related to T factor. So you can answer it in this way: I have made conscious efforts to enhance my T factor by deepening my expertise in core technologies while also expanding my knowledge across various related areas. This has allowed me to contribute more effectively to both specialized tasks and broader team discussions. I regularly seek out learning opportunities, whether through hands-on projects, certifications, or cross-functional collaboration, to ensure I maintain both and breadth. To, ma- to to ensure I maintain both depth and breadth in my skill set. Going forward, I aim to further strengthen my expertise while remaining adaptable and open to learning in new domains. Next one, we have analytical ability. Basically, this is an attribute, but this can also come in your comment also. So it, whether it comes as a comment or whether it comes as a goal or attribute, you can answer it this way: I consistently apply a mathematical approach and to problem solving, breaking down complex issues into manageable components to identify root cause and develop effective solution. By leveraging data and past experience, I aim to make informed decisions that contribute to project success. I also try to consider multiple perspectives to ensure that most comprehensive solution is reached. While I'm confident in my analytical skill, I remain open to feedback and continually look for ways to improve my critical thinking and decision making progress. Next one, we have communication. I place a strong emphasis on clear and concise communication, whether it's within the team or within stakeholders. I make it a point to actively listen, ensure alignment on expectation, and provide timely updates throughout the project lifecycle. I have also focused on adapting my communication style to suit different audiences, ensuring technical details are clearly conveyed without overwhelming non-technical stakeholders. While I believe my communication has been effective, I'm always working on refining it further to improve collaboration and project outcomes. So if you have seen, we are always saying that we always look forward to grow and we are open to learn. Next one is continual learning. I have made continual learning a priority by regularly seeking out new skills and knowledge that can enhance my performance and contribute to team success, whether through formal training, certification, or a hands-on experience in projects. I have focused on staying up to date with the latest tools and industry trends. This has not only helped me grow as a professional, but also allowed me to bring fresh ideas and improvement to the table. I remain committed to expanding my knowledge base and applying what I learned to real-world scenarios. Next one we have is customer focus. The answer for this is again all these which we are discussing now are kind of attributes, so you can answer them in that case. I strive to keep the customer's need at the center of my work, ensuring that their requirements are fully understood and addressed throughout the project. By maintaining an open communication, I am able to provide timely updates and incorporate feedback to ensure that the solutions we deliver align with our expectation. I believe my ability to anticipate and respond to customer needs has contributed to building trust and long-term relationship. Moving forward, I will continue to focus on delivering value by understanding and adapting to evolving customer requirements. Next one we have is innovation and creativity. I actively seek opportunities to apply innovate thinking and creativity in my work. By exploring new approaches and technologies, I aim to develop solution that not only addresses current challenges but also enhance the overall project outcomes. I encourage brainstorm sessions within the team to generate fresh ideas and foster a culture of innovation. While I have contributed creative solution to various projects, I recognize that there is always a room for improvement, and I am committed to continuing push the boundaries of creativity in my work. So in this way, guys, I have covered most of the important goals and attributes comments. So now if there are further more comments that you want to add related to any goals, let me know in the comment section and I will provide you the answer for that. And as I told you in the starting of the video, I also have a separate video, one more for different comments and goals. I will also give you that also, so that you can find your relative goal in that. Okay, also if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive such helpful videos. Thanks for watching the video.